In this video, I will show you how you can create an Apple ID account for your iPad Air. To do that, first of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Apple Account or here. Now to create a new account, just select Don't have an Apple account. Now just select the range of your age. I will select Adult, but if you're creating it for a child, just select Child or Teen. Now in the first name section, just enter your first name. In the last name section, just enter your last name. After that, just tap on Date of Birth and enter your date of birth. After you enter your date of birth, then just tap on Continue, and in this section, just create your Apple account. After you create your Apple account, then just tap on Continue and select Create. After that, just create a password for your Apple ID. Just make sure that while you're creating your password, the password must consist of at least 8 characters, and it must include a number, an uppercase letter, and a lowercase letter. Now after you create your password and after you confirm your password in this section, then just tap on Continue. Then in this section, just enter your phone number. After you enter your phone number, then just scroll down and select how you want to verify your phone number. You have the option for a text message and a phone call. I will select the text message, then select Continue. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that you will receive a text message on the phone number which you have entered. Now after you receive the verification code on your phone number, then just enter it into this section. Then just tap on Continue and select Continue. And just select Agree. Then just tap on Continue. And just enter the passcode of the lock screen of your iPad. And as you can see, we have successfully created an Apple ID on our iPad Air. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.